I've never used a swinging drawbar before, but over the course of a few different barn finds, I've got enough pieces to make one. Let's see what it takes to put one of these on. It should be fairly straightforward. So I've disconnected the chain stays, or whatever they're called, because that guide piece will fit around the PTO shaft. So the 8-in comes with these 4 holes, unlike the 9-in or 2-in, which doesn't have those holes. And this one looks cracked. I'm gonna try it anyway. We'll see what happens. Figured I'd clean out the threads while I'm here. 4 bolts installs that bracket. So I've actually ended up with a couple of these brackets over the years, and I'm learning as I go, and it looks like with this bracket, you don't need these banana shaped ones, and that pin and clevis just goes on the outside. This one, somehow it was easier for them to just take the chains off. I think what I'm going to do is just pull this and pin it back on here. So I'm just going to use this one then. Swapped over the shackles, put in the 4 bolts. Yes, I know I'm missing 3 around the PTO cover. I'm going to replace that. Probably should have done that first. Slide the drawbar in. Slide the pin in. Put the keeper in. That's it. I bet I need to get some pins or bolts to kind of limit the swing on this one. Probably don't need it going that far side to side.